Do you want to find your saved posts on Instagram, but don't know how? So the saving feature on Instagram is pretty useful because it allows us to save posts, reels, or videos from someone into a special place that we can access and view that content for later. I can open my Instagram application, and then I'll save a couple of files by tapping on this icon that's located at the bottom right of every post. You can save reels as well, and the save feature works just like the Watch Later playlist on YouTube. So if you want to find and access those posts which you had saved on Instagram, you want to go over to your Instagram profile, and once you're here, we'll tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner of your screen, and we'll get this menu pop up with a bunch of different options. Select this Saved option, and that's going to open another page with our saved content. If you have any collections which you had created, they will appear here. But I don't have any, so I'll tap here and it will open all of my saved posts which I had saved on this specific Instagram account. It will be split into 2 or 3 different sections. I have the saved posts as well as the saved reels section. Those are all of the reel videos which I had saved on Instagram, and I can access and watch them all over again. You may have a third section with saved video clips from Instagram, but I didn't save any of those, so I don't have that. But that's essentially it, everyone. That's how you can find your saved posts or reels on Instagram on both iOS or Android. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and I will see you soon.